Hello, I am Micaiah. This is a video response for Code Hoose. I love the name, but I can't say it. He is working on a roguelike. He has various managers and systems in place that's really cool. In this example, it's a 2D game, so we'll walk through it. He has a wall here, a character, and a chest. He's going to take a couple steps, and the chest opens. Yay! So, of course, we have to do our take on it. Oh, didn't boot this up. Spoiler alert. Okay, so I've 3D-fied this. I usually like to 3D things because that's kind of the gameplay I'm working on. You sort of do get the same mechanics. You can't bump into these walls. Um, they don't have, the character doesn't rotate to face the wall if I'm pressing the right button here. Um, but I can rotate my camera and the characters then will face. You can walk up to the chest. You can open the chest just like normal. There's some clipping issues because it's a 3D, but and then finally we've added a welcome stranger. This is our little NPC guy. He just does. He's a very simple thing. So that's sort of it. When we added the NPC manager, so we built this NPC manager class, which is part of his receive a mana behavior. And then we have this handle, which allows our non-player character, our NPC, to talk. So we kind of set this up exactly like his. We have this NPC character, and then you set up this NPC character with a talk NPC. And I believe when you go into it just has a dialogue and the player's name. It's Micaiah, of course. And then you have you set the debug the dialogue to be inactive. This is kind of a timer to sort of shut it off and turn it on. Maybe we'll do something different, but it's sort of the quick way to do it right now. And then we have this talk, and we set the timer back up to 3 seconds, so it counts down, and we set the dialogue to be active. So that's sort of the just some of the what he's done, but we sort of put it into 3D. We use all the exact same code. We had to our let's see, how can we? Our world is facing. Oh, gotta get out of 2D a lot. Our world is facing on a flat plane like normal, so Y is in the up direction. So we had to move a few of his directions around and switch him to a 3D direction. Um, we have a chest, a 3D chest, free characters again, and then we have these. See under the hierarchy, you can see the NPC here. We sort of moved everything, the box layer on the rigid body. We thought we didn't need a rigid body, but it seems like it was not happy with the raycast, so we're not sure exactly. And then you have the dialogue here, which says, hey, you know, that's the dialogue. It's just a world space canvas. I thought there was a way to say, hey, yeah, right here on NPC, and then it just gets the script. Anyways, so that's just kind of wanted to show. I'm really looking forward to the rest of this project. It's really simple to add in the NPC manager behavior here as a system, and then it has this base message class. I like the idea of the messages because in a server or some sort of different environment, you have a ton of messages coming in through so you can process that. It's a really cool idea. So it took a little bit of work to get to there, and it was actually quite easy. We forgot to add the environmental here. We forgot to add the NPC manager. We also have a forest system from a different game or different project, but we're looking at that. And then we have the NPC manager, and then the treasure chest manager that he's had as well. Anyways, so I'm in Micaiah Stevens. This is a big shout out to Code Hoose. And hopefully we'll add some more and improve it. This is kind of the exact same code base he has. Let's see. I don't know. I guess it's my view. If I want to talk for 20 minutes, I can. Sorry. So what we did here is kind of we refactored it. We added the ASD because we really like that, and then we added the transforms dot right. So this character, so it's always facing in the correct direction, and then we do the raycast. We add a little bit of up direction, And then this is actually a test hit, but down here we add the position. We also offset the position because we want to be in the center. Add the up direction to get it up into this one about you know up, and then we add in the direction, we pass that in as a direction 3, and then let's see on the on the motion here. Yes, we pass in it. This was a vector 2 as the message, so we're passing in as a vector 3 and the XYZ. I think we were actually doing something different a ways back, but we decided to use the and then to get this to work, you also have to have the NPC tag here as the tag, and then this adds the talk message and posts it through the hit collider. Um, and we also had to switch this out from a physics 2D, which is what this was, I believe, something like that, to a physics raycast, and then we had to add in some various positional data and then direction we're going. There's a little bit of bugs with this. Let's see if I can showcase this. Some of the you can walk through objects sometimes. Like this character actually is one. Oh, I think it just crashed. Huh? Oh, so oh yeah. Somehow now it's like I'm stuck, and I'm not sure why. There's something blocking my character from moving. But anyway, so it's but it's because it's converting to a 3D space. So somehow the characters, I'm not sure if it's raycasting something weird. I've looked at the character colliders here. Um, let's see, under here the NPC has a just a normal box collider, so it shouldn't interfere, and it's a 1x1, which is kind of where our things are. Anyways, this is kind of probably a long video, so I just wanted to showcase that. I had to do a little bit of conversion work here. I think we actually started to convert it, and then we just realized all we had to do was use the vector 3s. Yeah. See, we used this. We moved it from the old vector 3s that we're going to do like this, and then we just realized that because the transform dot forward is where the character's facing, and then the minus transform dot forward is the character's backspacing, so you can back up. And then we added the rotate player. I guess we could look at that real quick. It just rotates on the up vector of y, which is so it's rotates 90 degrees one way or the other way, and it's actually really quick. But you can add in some smoothing to that eventually. But anyway, so that's pretty much it. Thanks very much to Code Hoose. Hope I'm getting that right. This is Micaiah. Really appreciate. It's really interactive on YouTube and really a great, really in-depth. Really how to show how to do it. And it was easy to work with that system, and just go with it. So I was thinking about the world tag here, but it's actually just NPC uppercase, and you just add the tag just like all the others. Is how we did it here. So anyways, Micaiah, thanks very much. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time.